Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pilepu. See, this is already this operator I proved dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is equal to 4 into dou square dou z into dou z bar. But you see now problems are entering. Prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square modulus of f of z dou square is equal to 4 into modulus of f dash d square provided f of z is regular function. Regular or analytic or halomorphic, everything both same or not, very first class I given. Now this problem is what given me is what, okay, LH is somewhere I have seen, RH is also I know, so somewhat I want to know. First I will let we know that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is equal to 4 into dou square z into dou z bar. These are not. From 1, this is given LHS. So R, this is equal to this is R naught. This into this fellow is equal to this into this fellow, can I write R naught? So from this what I will get? From 1, how can I write? This whole fellow is equal to 4 into dou square dou z bar into modulus of f of z whole square. Correct or not? If you want, you can write LHS also. Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square modulus of f of z is equal to 4 into dou square dou z bar into this. So now I will consider only RHS part. RHS is equal to what? 4 into dou square by dou z bar into this is if I able to prove that this whole thing is equal to 4 into modulus of f of z, means my job is over. So this f of z, how can I write? We know that mod z square is equal to, can I write z into z bar, modulus of z into z bar can I write, or modulus of z into z bar I can write. Now this how can I write? F of z into f of z bar. Z into z bar is equal to this. Now we can differentiate what you will get. Now with partially with respect to z bar I am doing 4 into dou y dou z into mod of f of z should be there. Then this is what? Mod f dash of z. Then with respect to z, if you differentiate means what? Mod of f dash z into mod of f dash z bar. This is equal to what? Modulus of f dash z into f dash z bar is equal to what? 4 into mod of f dash z whole square. Correct or not? Proved. What I want to prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square for modulus of f of z whole square is equal to 4 into modulus of f dash reached. It's very important problem. Similarly, they may ask log f of z. That also I do. Shall I buff? Prove that. Log of mod of f of z is equal to 0. Right, we know that this formula we can write. Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is equal to what? 4 into dou square by dou z bar. So this whole fellow into log of f of z is equal to what? This into 4 dou square by dou z. So here whole square means I can write z into z bar. Here square is not there. You can raise the power 2, then you decrease. So this how can I write? 4 into dou square dou z bar log of whole square whole power of. Log function anything means what will come from front side or not. So this is what 1 by 2. This 2 I will let 4 by 2 dou square dou z bar log of. We have no right to change the problem. In mathematics we can do some magic. Suppose if I need square means what, immediately I am raising the power and decreasing the power, dividing by 2. Correct or not? So this modulus of f of z again and again old story. Two into dou square by dou z bar. This how can I write? Log of f of z into f of z bar. Modulus. Now log AB is equal to how can I write? Log A plus log B. Correct or not? Now with respect to z bar, if I do means what, this fellow becomes 0. This fellow only stands. So 2 into dou by dou z. This what we get 1 by fz bar into f dash z bar. Correct or not? Now there is no z. With respect to z means what? This whole thing becomes 0. Proved. This is the way of doing. It's very, very important. And another problem is there, what? Modulus fz whole power p, I think so. We see it in textbook. Correct or not? Getting or not? Thank you for our channel. Kindly subscribe and share to everyone. Bye. Once again, thanks. Bye.